redshirt freshman getting the start at quarterback. Over again. Florida State trying to rip. Perry to throw on third down. The slap. Four-man rush. Wide receiver hitch quickly out to Naquan. Quarterback run.
Yeah, that's right back.
And they're trying to protect here on second down and 7. And Francois goes down. Three-man rush. Francois, middle screen, caught by Trey McKinney. The tight end off to the races.
Seminoles get the first.
Where's Patrick?
Displays.
Patrick again. Patrick moves the chains. And the Noles taking a shot up the seam. Bobbled, caught at the goal line. It's a touchdown. Four-man rush. And N'Kosi Perry on time. The first career start when the defense puts 21 on the board. E.J. Dallas looking for room, breaking tackles. Here comes the blitz. Perry in trouble. And the rush gets home for second and 17. They'll run it with Dallas. E.J. Dallas blockers out in front. Dallas again. Long. Blitz coming again on third and 8. This time it's picked up. Long throw, jump ball, incomplete.
It's his brother that's protecting our country.
Right, second down and long. There's the screen. Francois, another third down conversion.
He's on the money.
Play action. Francois ducks. Francois on the slant, broken up. Francois to the sideline. Four-man rush. Slant. It is there. Oh. This Homer. Homer trying to turn the corner. See Perry creeps up under center. Quarterback sneak gets a push. And it looks like he's got the first. E.J. Dallas breaks a tackle. Turned back just shy of the 45.
Rick on the headsets, he talks him through whatever he heard.
Well, what he's going to hear right now is he's got second. Travis Homer. Perry out of the pocket on third down. No one home for the Noles. And a rivalry game kind of start. Bob Wischusen and Brock Ewart, Allison Williams, and N'Kosi Perry trying to throw one to the equalizer. Travis Homer pulls his way down to counter to Homer. Look at the call. He is driven back. They do snap it. There's the slam. End zone. Touchdown. Cam Akers spins across the 35.
80% of the Seminoles, they know each other so well. And
Look at this formation.
Akers again. Jump cut. Perry. E.J. Dallas lost a couple of yards, but the last. N'Kosi Perry lobs one to the sideline. Mike Harley. He is the middleman toward the middle of your screen. Stepping up and getting out of the pocket is Perry. He's got nowhere to go. All the way up to their own 15. Play action for Francois. He's going to take a shot. It was there. Rasul finds a crease. Here comes the blitz from the Canes. It's picked up. Francois. A reverse. And it's a flea flicker. Back to Perry. He's taking a shot down the sideline. Perry out of the pocket again. Across his body. Up the sideline. Perry off play action again. The ball stripped out.
Loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you.
Well, Stora's nice one. It's her Sunday back there.
Doing what Willie's asked him to do.
Francois from the pocket again. Lobs one down the side. Canes blitz off the edge. Francois, quarterback keeper. Gold. Blackman to throw. A little tunnel screen. Nowhere to go. To put the Noles on top. Got it.
Got to get into rhythm.
DJ Dallas. Blitz. Screen behind it. Incomplete. Perry had to run. Four-man rush. Perry. Low throw. Short of the sticks. With a... Instead it's Jaquez Patrick. Patrick. Man-to-man. Trying to run for it. Patrick carrying.
Time to set up that surge.
Patrick again blasts up. The hammer looking for a nail, and he's finding it. Francois to throw. Looking for the slant. This time Terry's got it, and he's into the end zone. Freshman quarterback. Dropped ball. Florida State plays coverage. They rush only 4. Long throw to the sideline.
On coverage.
Screen. Travis Homer gets a couple of blocks. With the ball. Rosie Berry out of the pocket. Long throw to the sideline.
It's one. A bunch of misses, unfortunately, on early downs for Berry. Rosie Perry on 4th down. On the slant. Tipped and incomplete. 36 seconds to go. He's going to throw the football. Looking at a 4-man rush. High throw. Terry pulls it. Francois sacked. It's online. It's got the distance. Good pocket for Francois. Tipped ball. Incomplete. Intended for... Little zone read to Cam Akers. It will... 5-man rush. To the sideline, Francois. Play action pass on 1st down. Perry can't avoid the sack. Travis Homer bounces for nothing. Perry well protected, at least for the moment, but then... Presence felt today, showing up.
Wobbly punt. Takes a Miami roll. And fielded on a hop by DJ Matthews. And gets loose. DJ Matthews! Down the sideline. Does he stay in bounds? At the... Play action on 1st down. N'Kosi Perry takes off. And
Score, we're back in this.
they've got a ton of time as they go play action, or rather a draw play here to Homer. And he picks... Wide open in the right flat. Trayon Gray. Travis Homer. Caught behind. Homer tries the right side. Looks to cut it back to the left side. And
Right now.
Homer picks up. Cam Akers submarines up the middle and has a first.
Nice to get started.
Ball tipped up in the air on the wide receiver screen that was... Akers. Out to the top. Play action. Francois to the sideline. Timing route. And Gavin comes back to make the... Blitz off the edge. Francois doesn't see it. The ball's out.
Turn over chain, turn over chain, turn over chain, turn over chain, turn over chain. You seen big homie get the fumble, he get a turn over chain. Seen big homie get the pick off.
They'll run it to DJ Dallas. Option pass. DJ Dallas to the end zone. Incomplete. Here's the QB draw. Perry pays the price, fighting for a yard or so. Gets a late push from his teammates. Perry
Gets one back in the end zone through the back. Another lob for Cager. Broken up. Down, going for it on fourth down. Another lob for Cager. Does he have it this time? A wrestling match. Play action. Francois. Happy feet in the pocket. Middle screen. And it's intercepted.
Turnover chain, turnover chain, turnover chain, turnover chain, turnover chain. You seen big homie get the fumble, he get a turnover chain. Seen big homie get the.
N'Kosi Perry. Lobbing one for the end zone. Jeff Thomas. Down goes Francois again. Francois trying to do it himself and gets a big third down and a big first down catch. Amir Rasul, who's now changed numbers, lost the. Francois, long time to throw. Another screen. Diagnosed it.
For the Canes tonight, that is tonight's Wrangler Player Spotlight.
Here's DJ. Now it's the front four for Florida State. They're going to throw it. N'Kosi Perry under pressure and gets it to the sideline. Cam Akers cuts it back to the right. Gets to the second level. It's the green. Screen. DJ Matthews makes a man miss. Same play to the near side. Matthews, is that a sideways backwards pass? He drops it into Gavin.
A little for a pass.
So instead of a touchdown, it's third down and long. Francois, wide open to guess who? Teach legs, and he delivers. I'll keep it on the ground here with Akers. Cut down at the line.
Just as this guy give everything he has as a player.
There goes Francois. Now, would you continue to... Francois, incomplete. No good. Harry back to throw. This time the out route to Jeff. Jump of the route. Harry, he shot up the seam, climbing the ladder. Jeff Thomas between two. What a great throw. He wants another deep shot. Drops it in. At the goal line. That's a Canes touchdown. They start on the ground with a run right up the middle. And maybe gains a yard. Francois, the rush gets home again. He lost the football. Joe Jackson. Francois rifles one over the middle, but it's the Travis Homer. Homer for a cutback lane. Gets across the midfield strike. And short. Homer. Well short of the first down. What a big stop for Akers. Finds a cutback lane. Gets wrestled down.
It's been in the Seminoles' head since before the game even started. They were talking smack about.
Francois down the sideline, looking back shoulder, incomplete. Over up the middle, runs a man over. Keeps churning his legs. Down to the 10-yard. Gets another try here. This time. In the flat to the freshman who caught the touchdown, and it's yard free. Bobbled and unable to come up with. We'll start here with Patrick. Behind the line, brought down again, another tackle for Francois, incomplete. Francois somehow stays on his feet but lost his helmet, and the ball comes.
season long.
Travis Homer, 2 yards. It is a throw. It is a lob down the sideline for Wiggins. Incomplete flag. Homer. He's going to want to stay in bounds, even if he loses yardage. A rollout. Perry, high throw across his body. Pass out on the edge to Brevin Jordan. And he leaps to the sideline. Does he have a first down? He was going for the... And off to the fullback. Trayon Gray. He's got the first down.
And by the way, I think that spot was correct.
Down to 3. Another handoff to Gray. He's inside the 10-yard line down. They're certainly not letting him score. As that is Homer. Bouncing it outside. He's got a first down. What a comeback this is for the Canes.
I mean, a 4-hour affair in college football. To this
27-7, all the momentum at that point.
What an
With
experience.
Florida State, and the Miami defense changed this game in the second half.
An experience that should benefit both of these teams over the course of the season.